Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy TeKay here with another video. So this video is very special because this is not my account, but it's my oh my god, no, not subscriber. It's my boy account. This is my friend, feel me, day one on this game. My boy here, his Discord name is Cam, but no name over here. He actually got into feral tier. He got into feral tier in order for me to open his packs. So far, look at his deck. Let's see. He spent all his stuff on what is it called? He spent all his super coins on grab bags, which I should have done. But yeah, he got Alien Knight, which I feel like the card is so hard to train. I feel like mine is hard to train as well. Got Tristratus. He had Dex and Loomis, Undertaker. He has 3 Undertakers, and he has Eddie Guerrero's. He has a whole bunch of cards. Uncle Howdy here looks nice. He has a whole bunch of cards, a lot of cards actually. Holy, yo, he has Akam and Razar. Those cards are nice. Yeah, he has a whole ton of cards, bro. So yeah, he is stat. Let me see his supports real quick because you feel me. Yeah, he's really good. He's really good. Okay, anyways, so we are opening his packs. We got all these stuff right here. Oh god, we have so much. I'm probably gonna have to turn this into 2 videos, as you can see. He got his packs, and I'm not opening these tickets, bro. There's no way I'm opening these tickets. Yeah, he's funny. He thinks I'm opening his tickets. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. Ministry of Darkness reward is crazy. I don't even know what that is. He has a feral pack. I'm not gonna open these medals because no one cares about medals. But yeah, let's start with the feral, because why not? He gets Kane, which is nice. Kane is nice. Okay, let's start with the packs. Shoot, quest reward. What's this? Wow, Wednesday. That's cool. Oops. I'm not opening no tickets on daily streak. Maybe this is the picks. Super coins. Okay. Yeah, PvP. He already opened. So I'm not gonna open those stuff. Let's see. 10 picks. We got a TSG right here. A little silver. Okay, so he gets King Cross and Invasion. Uncle Howdy again. So that's a pro for him. Let's see over here. Got a gold Invasion Apollo Crews. That's very nice. Then we get another Invasion. We got Ethan Page. It's cool. Platinum Pack Invasion. Big Bam. And we get Invasion Joe Coffee. Gold pack. We got a Ink. I think it's called Ink, right? Yeah, Ink Damien Priest. Then we got Invasion. Who's that guy? Stunning Steve Austin. That's crazy. We got silver right here. Jacob Fatu. Okay, Ink. Cool. Invasion. We got Isladon. Let's try to get this guy some. Let's try to get him some frills, some frill cards. I think it's called frill, right? I don't know, man. There you go, frill. Apollo Crews. That's good. That's good right there. Let me just like organize these stuff here real quickly. Hold up. Okay, that's 3 more right here. Another Ink, Braun Breaker. Then Invasion, we got Ivy Nail. Okay, Ink Roman Reigns, cool. Invasion, Bronson Reed. Got a bronze pack, which still gives an Ink, which is cool. Then we got Invasion Stone Cold again. It's nice. Let's see. Depending how long this video is, I'll see if I should do 2 separate videos or 1. I have no clue. Anyways, another TSG here. Ink. CM Punk. And then we got Invasion Undertaker. I think that was my freebie, so that's pretty nice. I think that's an F2 for him. Okay. Invasion Eddie Guerrero. Cool. Papa Shango. And ooh, Furl Dexter Loomis. Yo, these cards are sick. Yo, and he has that already. That's a pro. That's really nice. Yeah, this guy's gonna be so good. But yo, I feel like training and leveling up is hard. I feel like it's harder in this season. I think it was like that for last season too. Invasion Mankind is nice. Daily Streak was this. Inferno. Okay. Another Daily Streak. Oh, he got the legacy card stuff. Alright. Ink Tamatanga. Invasion. Mark Coffee. That's not too crazy. We got Tamatanga. I feel like, didn't we just got him? I don't even know, bro. Invasion Otis. Okay. Wait, I need a thumbnail, bro. Okay, there we go. Thumbnail. Yeah. Got an Invasion. Mankind. Let's get some more furls. I need to get a furl in the background for the thumbnail. Eric Rowan, that's nice. Silver. We got Ink. Undertaker. Interesting image. It looks like a season 2 image. Another Invasion as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not opening this guy's tickets. This guy's gonna have to deal with this himself. I think I did that last time too. I did not open his tickets last time. Let's see. Acom Invasion. Another Invasion. And we get Isaac, whatever. Oh shoot, bro. I did not mean to open that. Daily Streak. We got Zelina Vega. Okay. Ink. He's already at 17k super coins. And I got another Invasion. Oops. Got American Dream. Okay, perfect. Furl in background. Thumbnail. Got it. Let's see who this furl is. It's Alexa Bliss. I know he's gonna like that. So, and you got an Invasion right here. Let's see. Champion rewards. Okay. I might have to make this 2 videos. I've seen the progress. I'm not getting far ahead. Whole bunch of Invasions. Bianca. George. Another Daily Streak. So Ruka. Cool. Some more TSGs. I'm not gonna keep saying the name of all these inks. I think I'm only gonna say the names for Invasions. Tatum Prexley, that's nice. Baba Ray Dudley, cool. Okay, Braun Breaker. Furl. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, who's that? Jasmine Nix. That's nice. Right there. We got Dom. Gold pack. Okay. Alright. Uncle Howdy again. Okay. Seeing him quite a lot. Whole bunch of tickets. Oh, bro, I keep accidentally opening these. I'm not trying to do that. Whole bunch of super coins though. That's good. Ripley, 1 XP is crazy. Liv Morgan. Bailey. Double females is nice. His card limit is so cooked. But yo, that's his problem, not gonna lie. His problem. Io Sky is nice. You can get him Dakota Kai if he doesn't have that already. Yvonne Dudley. We got both the Dudleys. Invasion, Carrie Sane. We got him another level, so that's cool. He's getting close to that top tier. I think he likes Carrie Sane actually, so that's good. Bro, we still have like so much to do, so I'm definitely gonna have to do 2 videos for this. Oh, another furl. Sheamus. That's good. I skipped by that one too fast. He opened his GU. That's good. Let's clear those. Got some more TSGs here. Ink. Got Liv there. Got an Invasion. Undertaker. Bro has like F10 Undertaker. Oh my god, another Undertaker. He made like 2 F3s with that. Yeah, this guy's gonna get like every single card. Like literally. There you go there. Alba Fry's cool. Let's see. Braun. Invasion. Okay, Invasion from there. Alba Fry again. It's GG Dolan. It's nice. Uso. Tatum Paxley. That's a nice card. Tatum Paxley. Oh shoot, I skipped it, bro. Pharrell Caden Carter. That's a really nice image. Her hair goes with the background. That's really good. Dex Loomis. Cool. Oh, let's see. Tatum Paxley again. No, this one, another Invasion. This guy's card limit is so cooked. Invasion, GG Dolan. This guy's gonna get every single person now. Go ahead, like every single person. This guy went from like no super coins to like almost 40k now. That's how much I have right now, 40k. No, I don't have 20k. Jeez, bro. Oscar Invasion set is done. This guy's gonna get another Pharrell. TLC. Daily streaks. Okay, he got the equipment. What's this one? 100 credits. That's nice to see. Don't care about inks no more. I thought that was Edge. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, a Furl. Randy Orton. Looks like the Elemental Fusion image. Rey Mysterio. It's cool. Surprised he finished the Invasion sets before the ink sets. Got some more here. Wesley. Okay. Oh, Pearl. He got. Oh, I had this on my main accounts. Kalani Jordan. Really nice. Am I still recording? Yeah, I am. Okay. Just have to make sure. Okay. Wade Barrett's. Kofi Kingston. That's really good. If he wants to pro that, he can catch it in the Superstore right now. But he has so much cards. I don't think he really cares about that. New card. Okay, cool. Wendy Chu. Furl again. Brutus Creed. Angel. That's nice. It's picking up on frills now, which is good. We need more frills. Gold token, bro. Okay. guy has like everybody now. Oh, Pearl Shayna Baszler. That's nice. And now that he's Feral tier, he could forge these cards and just get pros of everybody for real. Get rid of these. Okay. All right. Feral again. Who the hell? The Tonka. I haven't seen that guy in a minute. 50k super coins now. 4 picks. Nice. Oh, for real. He gets Dexter Loomis again. That's a pro. That's nice. And ooh, he finally got him Dakota Kai. I know he's been wanting that, so I'm gonna send that to him after. Bro, I don't know why I keep opening these. Okay, hold up. Sonya Deville. That's nice. You know, I'm gonna stop opening those. Okay, Daily Streak. A pick. Ministry of Darkness. What's this? 2 picks. Okay. Liv Morgan. Alright. Booker T. Okay. Another furrow. Santos Escobar. He's at 60k super coins now. It's crazy. He'll probably wait for the PLE cards to come now. Oh, a furrow. Chelsea Green. I know he's gonna like that. Damn, I feel like I've been here for a minute now. But so much packs, I feel like he hasn't got enough furls. Like, he got a good amount, but not as much as I expected. He's getting his XP up though. Dom. Furl. Shayna Baszler Pro. That's nice. That's good. That's really good. Female Pro. It's really good. Okay, we're getting closer to the bottom. So that's promising. But then we gotta see how much RDPs we have. Didn't we just pull her? I swear we just did. Meechin. He's almost at 80K, bro. Bianca's nice. We haven't got a frill in a while. $83K super coins now. He's almost close to the next level. Charlie, who? Who the hell? Okay, he's really close to his next level now. I think after this pack he'll reach it. 88K super coins too. There you go. Bro, he's like 2 more away from Legion, bro. That's crazy. Oh, a frill. Well timed. We got a frill. F1 Santos. That would be worth doing now. Bro's almost at 90K super coins, bro. Bro is at 90K now, bro. Just remember that he had only 1,000 before we started opening these packs. But bro, the amount of base this guy's gonna have is crazy. Ink foundation, about time. Finish the ink foundation. Still has so much left. Remember last time I did his account, he had like 200 RDPs. I wonder how much he's gonna have now. To be honest, I have no clue. What the heck? Oh. But yeah, if he has 200 RDPs again, that'd be insane. Let's see, 2,000. He's at 97. Oh, 2 more packs. Holy, we're actually almost there. And last, he's at 90. He's gonna be at 98k. Because let's end it with Furl. Never mind. Okay. Holy. Let's open these. Not these ones, bro. No one cares about the medals. Let's open these Furls. Supports. Ambush. It's pretty decent support. And a manager. Let's try to get 1-stat manager. It's whatever. It's whatever. It's whatever. Okay. Alright. Oh boy. See how much picks he has. He has 159. Okay. This is a long enough video. There'll be a part 2 to this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join this Discord server. And shout out to this guy Cam once again for letting me do this pack opening on his account. Next part, I'll be posting the next part tomorrow. When you're seeing this, I'll be including all the picks. So yeah, peace out.